In this video, I will show you how to set product sale prices in the bulk editor of Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin panel, then click on Products. After that, select multiple products. In my case, I'll select this one, which has 5 variants, along with a few others. Once selected, click on Bulk Edit. At the top right corner, in the Columns section, enable Compare at Price and hide unnecessary fields like status, product category, and vendor so you can focus only on pricing. Now you will see columns like Product Title, Price, and Compare at Price. Currently, the Compare at Price is empty or set to 0. The goal is to move your original price into the Compare at Price column. Instead of doing it manually for each product, click the first cell in the price column, hold Shift, select the last cell, and press Ctrl+C to copy. Then paste this data into the Compare at Price column. After that, you can set your actual sale prices in the price column. For example, adjust each variant price according to your discount strategy. Once you've entered all sale prices, scroll up and click Save. Now, your changes will be reflected in your store. If you check your product page, you'll see the discounted prices displayed correctly with the original prices shown as Compare at Prices. And that's it. You've successfully set up sale prices in bulk. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.